261 was one of the last 484s built by Alco for the Milwaukee Road in 1944. With 76-inch driving wheels and over 62,000 pounds of tractive effort, they were ideal dual-service locomotives for both freight and passenger trains. The non-profit Railroading Heritage of Midwest America group now operate the 261 along with a fleet of superbly restored passenger cars. They include the Milwaukee Road full-length Superdome and the Skytop observation car Cedar Rapids, and are available for private charter or Amtrak trips. In 2006, the 261 headed an excursion along the Mississippi Valley. The first stop was at Red Wing, some 47 rail miles south of Minneapolis, where essential lubrication of the locomotive could be carried out.
All right, everybody ready?
Steve Sandberg, President and Chief Operating Officer, was one of the day's engineers.
And other pieces fall.
While he set the controls for departure, Ed Zielinski was topping up the corners of the fire not reached by the mechanical stoker. Jim Cameron, the fireman, and Steve will exchange clear signal calls before the highball command. Watch for Steve gradually notching up the regulator to the full power setting as the train gathers speed for the spectacular departure from Red Wing.
That's how we do it in America.